How you doing, guys? And welcome back. Now this is something interesting because I kind of skipped a few Throwback Thursdays because I've been so busy, and a few people have messaged me and say, yo, where's Throwback Thursday? We miss it. I didn't know so many people enjoy watching Throwback Thursday like me. Sometimes I record so much that I forget the videos. Like right now, we have over 760 videos uploaded to YouTube on the channel. But it's always good to watch my Throwback Thursday because it makes me relive the moment, like we're doing today. And thank you guys for enjoying the videos, and let's keep having fun in the sun. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the show. And sometimes we take the show out on the road, like we did with the boat show videos, and now we're heading to a place that we have never been before here locally in Hollywood, Florida. And if you know of a place that's interesting or maybe people would like to visit, let me know in the comments, and one day we'll show up and show you guys on the channel, because we love exploring new places on the water and on land too.
Alright, so we just made it. It was getting hot too, though. Let's go over the show. See what we find here. Where's my phone? Where? We just got here, you know, I'm talking about JJ to the market. Gonna buy some fruits. You guys want some? I didn't know you guys were bringing the little man.
I didn't know you were Colombian.
Yeah, dog.
I know you missed one of the videos. Where's Fresco and P.o?
Michelada?
Yeah.
You guys ever had a michelada? Tell Fresco what a michelada is. He will come.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I like this.
This is nice.
Okay. Sí, ya jugué ya. Sí.
What's up, guys?
We got the islands, man.
So we're here at the farmers market in Hollywood, Florida, and every time I come here, I get this michelada. You guys gotta come check her out. And shoot, I don't even know what you call this booth. What is this booth called?
Tradewinds Bistro.
What?
Tradewinds Bistro.
Oh, she don't even know. It's Tradewinds Tiki Bar.
No, Tradewinds Bistro. We have two.
Oh, they got
one
two.
inside.
Oh.
108, and then we have.
It's a franchise up in here.
Oh, okay.
So Tradewinds Tiki Bar. I love this spot. And Bistro. Gotcha. But I always come out here and get a michelada. So, órale, no manches, güey, bro, mexicanos. Right? I guess that was something.
What is that thing on it?
Oh, so this is salt. Let her tell you.
What is
It's a
that?
spiced rib. So it's got like pepper, salt, celery, salt, and like 2 other things. It's a lot in line.
All right, let's make it happen. Well, basically, you're supposed to use another brand, but I like IPA. This is a local brand from Fort Lauderdale, Funky Buddha. This is a plug. Send a check.
It's free with Modelo.
Modelo, you're supposed to do a Modelo. But I ain't no Instagram model.
Oh, get it, Modelo. That's good. Wow, that's cool.
Can I try it? No, you do it. That's so cool. Mira. Sound waves. Yeah, it's all the megahertz to certain frequencies cool you down, calm you. Yeah. I feel like I'm in outer space. Alright, so if you guys been to the Hollywood, Florida Farmers Market, let us know what's your favorite booth here and what's your favorite thing to get. Leave a comment down below. We want to know. Do it. Pour some in my hand.
I'm going to do, I don't know what I want to do. ¿La madre es ahí?
Come here, say what's up to the video.
Let's cut this.
They got the same thing?
Oh, I thought it was different.
Artichoke hearts and mushroom relleno. Not too bad.
Look at it. They only come for the free samples. That's messed up.
Yeah, that's like
Messed up. It's messed up.
Everything is made out of wood. Hey, what are you eating?
I'm eating a I am eating a waffle.
Ooh,
Waffle Sunday.
that sounds tender.
So where you guys from, real quick?
Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Hometown right here.
There you go. All right, here we go. 3, 2. One more. 1, 2. Got it.
You actually scared me.
All right.
Said it so loud. I didn't do it.
It wasn't him. So you got Instagram?
Nah, I don't have none of that. We don't follow. So actually, YouTube is the only thing we do. We watch your show. We love your show. I want to buy a boat now.
There you go. There you go.
We appreciate
God
your
bless you
influence.
guys.
You guys are awesome.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Tracy
Tracy,
Singletary.
Secretary.
Nice to meet you guys. Nah.
Is a football player?
Nah. Nah. All right, man. All right.
All right, guys.
It was a pleasure. Enjoy.
We're gonna sell Fresco Channel shirts. All right, we're here with Joseph at the farmer's market. He's buying Fresco Channel, a couple shots. Let's do it, baby. Cheers. Salud. Sandbar life. One way. Arriba, bro. Oh, haciendo. What the hell did she just say? Ah.
Sandbar life.
Hey, Sandbar life without the sandbar, but we're at the bar.
Beef and pork? No, it was puerco. Beef, vaca.
¿Qué es lo que es eso, loco? Pruébalo ahí.
Yeah.
Great.
They're good.
Yeah?
They're like, it's all right.
So what, we getting some? Let's make the line and get some food.
Like that red meat.
Delicious.
Look at that blood. He's a vampire. He's a vampire.
Yeah, beaches.
found it, what she was looking for. We walked the whole place just for that. Does anybody know what that is? Does anybody know what that is? So, how was your experience at the Farmers?
I love it. I love it.
You love it?
I love
Because
it.
you ate all that? Oh, it was a pretty good deal. I mean, not deal. It's a pretty good experience at the Farmers Market today. Something new, different. No boating today.
I'm definitely coming back again.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Next time, bring the kids. They have a lot of food, though. That's a good thing.
We missed their fighting.
No, we didn't.
We did.
No, we didn't.